sci-fi, but it's not your entertainment space, right? I mean, we're not showing you a cool world about, you know, fictional characters and some superheroes or anything of that sort. This is you and I, you know, of the real world. And
amazing, something new. We have never seen something like this. Whose idea was it?
oh, they're not here today.
It was actually Rameez and Maitrey's idea, जो इस फिल्म के डायरेक्टर हैं एंड राइटर भी हैं. तो ये आइडिया उनसे आया था एंड देन ऑल ऑफ अस गॉट टुगेदर एंड वी मेड दिस एंड या आई एम जस्ट हैप्पी दैट यू नो ट्रेलर लोगों को पसंद आ रहा है एंड थैंक यू सो मच फॉर द कॉम्प्लीमेंट.
How Prachi came on board?
Prachi came on board.
I was dropped from Venus.
No, actually, I reached out to her, and she was very sweet. And I would like to actually congratulate her to be able to see that this is how it's going to turn out, because generally क्या होता है short films होती हैं and इसमें there is no monetary gains, and to even be able to picture कि ऐसा कुछ बनेगा, ऐसा कुछ होगा, not everyone has the vision to see, and she was quite visionary to even and also give that faith in us that they will be able to pull it off. So yeah, thank you Prachi.
You just said too many nice things, but thank you. I'd actually like to say that the first time when our director and writer met me about this, I don't think I even took like a few minutes to say that I want to think about this and get back. I was actually really blown with the idea, just as much as I think everybody else is going to be when they watch the trailer, because in some way or the other I think it really does kind of leave you back with something that you take from it. When I heard it, I was actually really surprised, pleasantly surprised that someone has come up with this, because there's so much that we've been talking about, climate change and environment and all of that, and nobody really thought of kind of doing anything about it in the entertainment form or the entertainment business. And I thought this was such an interesting idea. The only thing I was wondering about execution was that it's futuristic. We're taking you to 2067, and just like Jackie said, it's sci-fi, but it's not your entertainment space, right? I mean, we're not showing you a cool world about fictional characters and some superheroes or anything of that sort. This is you and I, of the real world and what we could face in 2067. So in that sense, it was really interesting.
Okay, yes. Do you agree with this? We have taken a step ahead before Hollywood come with this idea, and we are the one who came with this.
Yes. No, what about, and I'm quite modest at times, but this time I don't want to be modest. It's just generally हम उनकी चीज़ें देखते हैं और हमें लगता है कि यार ऐसा कुछ होना चाहिए, ऐसी फिल्में बननी चाहिए, हम कब ऐसी फिल्में बनाएंगे. But yes, to pick a topic like this and make it so real, और ये this is official फर्स्ट हिंदी साई-फाई. सो ये जब फिल्म आप देखेंगे आपको अच्छी लगे या बुरी ये मुझे मालूम नहीं, बट ये है कि आप ये नहीं कह सकते कि यार ये ना उनके जैसी हमने बनाई है. ये हमने अपना वर्जन एक बनाया है. और जैसे ड्रग्स की ट्रेडिंग होती है, पैसे की होती है, पेट्रोल की होती है, गोल्ड की होती है, हमने ऑक्सीजन की ट्रेडिंग दिखाई है. और ये ऐसा है कि अगर मैं आपको 100 साल पहले बोलता कि यार पानी बिकेगा, तो आप बोलते एक काम करो, इसको अगली बार से बुलाना मत, इसका थोड़ा दिमाग ख़राब हो गया. तो हमने वही कॉन्सेप्ट लिया है कि अगर 60, 70, 100 साल बाद अगर हम कहें कि ऑक्सीजन बिकेगा, तो ये पॉसिबल है. बिकॉज इंसान जितना समझदार है उतना फिर सेल्फिश भी है और कभी कभार फूलिश भी है और मॉनेटरी गेन्स के लिए हम कुछ भी कर सकते हैं. सो दिस इज जस्ट टेल पीपल दैट गाइज रिलैक्स.
ओके, जिस स्पीड में सब कुछ बदल रहा है, हम बात करते हैं पोल्यूशन पर, दुनिया से इतना सब कुछ क्लाइमेट को लेकर बहुत सी प्रॉब्लम्स हैं, साइंटिस्ट बोल रहे हैं, नासा बोल रहा है. तो आज आपको लगता है कि सच में ऐसा वक्त आ सकता है? We'll continue with this.
Well, if the situation in Delhi last year wasn't an eye-opener or a shocker, I think that anything can happen. The sad thing is that when you're going along with your life or your daily routine, it's not something that you really want to give time to or sit back and think about. When something does happen at such a big level, that's the only time you actually, then everybody starts talking about it, and then everybody wants to do something about it. But you don't realize that the damage is being done every day, bit by bit, and one day when it comes to that level, it's going to hit everyone really hard. Delhi was bad. The drought situation that happened in Maharashtra. But everywhere else, there are so many other things that are happening. There are so many different ways in which everybody is being affected. Look at what we are doing with our, wildlife, with the conservation of wildlife. We're not even doing enough. And it's a whole cycle, right? Everybody needs everything, to be in its cycle, so that the world can keep going the way that it is. You take a few things out of it, and it's not going to complete the circle. So things like that, it's only when we come to a crisis, everybody sits up and they want to do something about it, or they get worried because they're worried about their lives. Until then, nobody wants to do anything. So yes, something can happen, and this film is kind of a way of saying that, guys, wake up, because anything can happen.
What was the most challenging part while working on this project? You go through, wearing a mask, doing a shot, it's really,
I would actually, I would take the liberty to say that for me, yes, I think Jackie's character was the toughest for this film. But apart from that, in terms of, the shoot part of it, it was a great experience for me. There was nothing tough about, I'd say, the role or the shoot process. What I think was really tough for the film was the post-production. I think the work, the effort that went into that was really an effort. Besides, Jackie's role was the toughest. You must tell them about your preparation and everything that you did for it.
Just to add to what she said is that हमने ये दिखाया है कि घरों के अंदर ऑक्सीजन इलेक्ट्रिसिटी की तरह सप्लाई की जाएगी और बाहर हमें मास्क पहनना पड़ेगा, और जो स्टेटस पे आप हो उतनी महंगी ऑक्सीजन आप सब्सक्राइब करोगे. तो जब मैं जिस तबके से आता हूँ फिल्म में, उसमें मुझे मास्क 24/7 पहनना पड़ता है बाहर, बिकॉज मेरे पास उतने पैसे नहीं हैं फिल्म में. तो मैं वो मास्क पहन के शूट कर रहा था, एंड इट वॉज सो सफोकेटिंग फॉर मी. तो मुझे लगा कि यार ये मतलब शॉर्ट्स में ही मास्क पहन रहा हूँ. जैसे ही वो बोलते थे कट इट ओके, मैं ऐसे मास्क निकाल के ऐसे करता था. तो मुझे लगता था यार ये ऐसी हालत हो रही है. इमेजिन इफ दिस इज़ द काइंड ऑफ सिनेरियो वी वुड बी इन, कि मतलब 24 घंटे मास्क पहनना है, तो कितनी घुटन होगी. इसलिए किसी ने ऐसे पकड़ के रखा हुआ है या किसी ने गला पकड़ के रखा हुआ है. सो इट वॉज नॉट ईजी, एंड इट जस्ट मेड मी फील ये ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए और हमें कुछ करना.
Okay, Jackie, the film also carries a social message. Let's talk about air pollution. Are you planning to take the film to the festivals now?
As in the aim is to take it to the festivals. Not that हमने ये फिल्म festivals के लिए बनाई है या हमने ये reward या award के लिए बनाई है. But yes, as film makers, अगर हम festivals में ले जा सकते हैं, और if we get some kind of credit for trying something new as actors or as just part of this film, it just feels nice. So yes, we will take it to as many festivals we can.
But what's your take on those films? There is no commercial aspect to the film. Do you think it is necessary to take the film to the festival because it's really talk about the nature?
Yeah, I think that's the beauty of it, that there is no commercial gain attached to this film. And yet someone's thought of bringing this out to everybody. That is the real beauty of it, and why only confine it to India. We would love for other people also to watch this film, to let us know what they think, not about the filmmaking of it, but about the message that we're trying to give through the idea of it. So something of that sort. I think it's very essential that actually we take it to the festivals, because that would be one of the first steps of trying to reach out to more people, not just a particular country, like not just India, but everywhere else as well. And I think that would be really nice.
Okay, as she said earlier, she talked about Delhi, what happened there in terms of pollution. Are we eyeing national award? No.
Are we eyeing national award for a film like this?
Yes, of course.
यार क्या है कि ये तो पहली बात तो आपके मुंह में घी शक्कर, हमने ये उसके लिए बनाई नहीं है. हमने ये ऑनेस्टली वी वर ऑल सिटिंग एज फ्रेंड्स एंड दैट्स हाउ आई रीच्ड आउट टू हर ऑल्सो कि यार ऐसा कुछ बनाते हैं. हमें ये भी नहीं मालूम था जब हम शूट कर रहे थे कि इसका फाइनल प्रोडक्ट अच्छी से बन पाएगा, लोगों को समझ में आएगी कि नहीं. हमने ये फिल्म शूट की थी जैन में और अभी आ गया है जुलाई. सो हमें तो 3-4 महीने तो लग गए यही करने में कि हम जो ये करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, इट शुड नॉट लुक लाइक इंटेलेक्चुअल मास्टरबेशन, राइट. इट शुड, द होल पॉइंट इज़ नॉट दैट. द पॉइंट इज़ कि हम ये पब्लिक के लिए बना रहे हैं कि उनको समझ में आए, और ये सबको समझ में आनी चाहिए. तो हमें ऐसा लगता है कि हमने ऐसा कुछ बना दिया है कि सबको समझ में आए. अब उसकी आड़ में अगर हमें नेशनल अवार्ड मिल जाता है, आई वुड बी वेरी ऑनर्ड एंड हम्बल्ड. एंड अगर नहीं मिलता है देन ऑल्सो इट्स फाइन, बिकॉज दिस इज़ नॉट वाई वी मेड द फिल्म. बट येस, इफ़ वी गेट इट ग्रेट, एज एन you know, we all as actors, as I said, we work for, you know, some kind of credit. And,
okay, you know, you said on Salman met your wife and he said इस पे तो फिल्म बनानी चाहिए. If you can throw some more light on that.
well, Salman bhai has always been very supportive. When I was fat also, he said तुमको पतला होना चाहिए, तुमको ये करना चाहिए. And the best thing about him is, if he likes something, he supports it. If he doesn't like something, he says, ये मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगा. And his reaction was very, very good. And that is just his way of saying कि तुमने अच्छा काम किया. So yeah,
Prachi, your take on Salman? You know, Salman who likes something, he said, you know, he says straight away कि this is good, this is bad, यार ये अच्छा नहीं लगा, ये बुरा लगा. You know, somebody like Salman, he says कि यार तो फिल्म बनानी चाहिए. Definitely उनको सब्जेक्ट जो मुद्दा है बहुत अच्छा लगा हुआ, तभी उन्होंने कहा.
I think his honesty is amazing and invaluable. It's just wonderful that he's always so honest. I'm sorry, I actually wasn't aware about that, but it feels great to hear that, because that means that we were able to send across, you know, the message that we wanted to with this film. And it's a huge compliment, right? If people think that, especially him, then yeah, I'm sure that they would give that a thought, because then I think the purpose is solved about why we made this film, to get everybody to kind of think about it. Yeah, it's great.
Okay, what other things then like?
Well, there's a film that I'm working on right now, and I think it's not too far from when the producers are going to announce it. But I will let them do it, and it's a very interesting one for me. Something that I'm thoroughly enjoying. Yeah, you'll hear about it very soon.
Check it. Once you're done with Kavan, what next?
Once I'm done with Kavan, I'm starting my film as an actor. And yeah, as she said that I would also let the producers announce it, but it's something which is very close to my heart, and we will be shooting in Ahmedabad. That's the only thing I can disclose, but yes, it'll be coming out very, very soon.
Okay, the last one, what message do you want to give the audience, to fan of yours, to be a part of Cargo?
We just hope that you guys enjoy what we made, get entertained and educated at the same time, and it's a team effort, and yeah, we just hope that you like it.
Yeah, I just like to tell everyone that do watch our trailer, because it's out now. When you watch it, I would love for you to show, you know, everybody else around as well, because that's the point of this film, that we would want as many people as can to watch it. The film comes out in August.
21st August.
21st of August.
21st August.
You have to watch it then. But yes, till then, just enjoy the trailer. I hope that, you know, this leaves you thinking, this leaves you kind of with a thought about how you are leading your lifestyle, and if there's any small little change that you can make in it, you know, for yourself, your own future, and everybody else after that, then please do implement that. Yeah.
And yeah, save water. Take a shower every day, but with less water. Brush your teeth every day.
Shorter showers, but take a shower.
Yeah.
Thanks, guys.